What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I start the review, whatever you want to call it, I just want to request everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All the videos, not just this one, every single video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Help me out here, people. Let's grow this channel together. This is not my channel, this is our channel. Our channel. I hope that little talk helped, because now you need to tell everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. But yeah, I'm back again with another unboxing. I'm trying something new today, or new these days. And, I've started buying different trainers, different sneakers, whatever you want to call it. Just, expanding my horizons, if you like to say. So this sneaker's never been on my channel before. And this box has definitely never been on my channel before. N354. So the N stands for Nike. 354 is some runner geezer ran fast, and lap times were set, which were quick. And 354. Yeah. This thing, don't ask. That's actually quite nice. I like that. That's simple. That's serious. That is serious. Nike. Just do that on all sides. Nike tick, swoosh. That's nice as well. I like that. I like those sides. This side's decent. Should have just put a massive swoosh, not gonna lie. And this side, Nike dbreak-type. So the colorway is light bone orange hemp. Size is 9.5. Let's get into it. Oh, there's a little something here. Words. It says N354 champions like Nike's legacy of experimentation and innovation. N354 is unapologetic exploration to push the boundaries of design. N354 is not trend, is not conservative, and is not scared. So it says established 2019, Beaverton, Oregon. I like that, but it's just a shoe, bro. Just don't take it serious, man. It's just a shoe. Let's get into the trainer. So this actually comes on like attached, but I took it off because I needed to do an on-foot video. So it says N354 captures the innovative nature of Nike while creating a place to test ideas. This label collection explores a spectrum of underfoot comfort and sensation. Risk plus stress FTW. I don't know what's going on there. They're moving a bit mad. But yeah, they are comfortable. I'm not going to lie. They are very light. Not going to lie. They weigh absolute nothingness. So it's like a waffle underfoot, undersole, whatever you want to call it. It's a US patent and it's got the patent numbers there. Everyone knows the story of the waffle sole made in a waffle maker. Those two bits are actually quite, they come out a lot. Mad. And then, it's got the heel. Very hard to get heel drag on that, I think. White on the midsole. A kind of hemp colorway on the back heel. That's just material and it's literally stuck in, fused on, whatever you want to call it. Mesh with a painted Nike swoosh. That's lazy, man. That is lazy. But they're very light, so maybe they did that for the lightness. Another hemp and orange stitching on the front. A nice suede. It's actually quite smooth. I like that material. Nice suede material. on the front, mesh toe box, and that's actually like literally like a see-through almost toe box. I don't like that bit because look, when you step it just does that. I think that's a bit mad. They should have had like, you know, a stiff part there or something. So even then, like, they're like that. Nice suede, not gonna lie. And then all around the lace loops. It's not. It's a suede, but it's more. It's more of a nubuck type, I'd say. Yeah, nubuck, whatever you wanna call it. Non-brushed suede. Lace is very thin. Quite cheap. Not gonna lie. Again, the mesh with the lazy swoosh, and then the tongue, and it says N354. Oops, that doesn't even say anything in there. Yeah, it's just a Nike swoosh in orange. So I do like the hemp, the colorway. I do like that. My issue is not with the colorway. It's not even with the actual trainer or whatever you want to call it. I just think that the materials used could have been better. I do understand they're trying to do the light stuff, but come on, people, man, this is atrocious. I think if you lived abroad, like California, Dubai, countries with like a very hot climate, you could wear these and you would love these, to be honest. Let's just be honest. But in the UK, these will probably get like one wear. And even this, I don't like that. If they wanted to make these like a, you know, a bit heavier version, a bit more rugged, leather, all here, stiff toe box, like an Air Max 95 or something. Leather, definitely leather on the toe box, leather panels on both sides, and I think that would be like 10 times better. Also, the size of these is a bit crazy. I'd say just file them down a bit or something. But yeah, it does even have a double like heel type thing. It's not even a double, it's just weird. It's actually a decent leather. It's not the best. It's just a kind of cheap leather, whatever material. But yeah, people, I don't really have the most nice things to say about these. I don't have anything negative to say about these either. Apart from they won't last in the country I live in, which is England, specifically London. They won't last. They do have a few other colorways which are really nice. I really like this colorway. Even that's why I bought it. I really like this colorway. Very nice colorway. You can even wear with like chinos or something, maybe, if that's up your style. Street style, alley, whatever you want to call it. I actually think they're quite nice, so don't think I hate them. It's just the materials used and the city I live in that these won't last up in, and they're not worth getting for non-warm climates. For warmer climates, 100% yes, do get them. They do look very breathable, so the mesh is very breathable. They look like they'll be quite good, quite lightweight. So if you're, I don't know, abroad somewhere in a hot climate and you want them to, you want to not feel like you have sweaty socks and you know you want some breathable material, then yeah, have a look at these. Many colors available. This is not an advertisement. It's not an advert, mate. It's not an advert. But yeah, decent trainers, not too bad. They look quite decent on the foot as well. As always, the on foot video will follow. Just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, take care, people.